Hello everyone, today we're excited to introduce our brand new mobile trader platform. It's super easy to use and perfect for trading anytime, anywhere, packed with new features. At the Home tab, you can make a deposit or withdrawal. If you click on it, you will be taken to your client cabinet to continue the deposit or withdrawal process, same as always. You can choose your demo or real accounts here. You can tap on your account to see the details and permissions of your account and change some setting like the bonus and the leverage. Next, the Market Watch. Different symbols can be seen here categorized by their nature. If you tap on a symbol, a page of information about the symbol pops up, and by clicking on the trade button, the chart for this symbol will be opened. By tapping here, you can view the economic calendar. By swiping to the right on a symbol, you can add it to the favorites, and by swiping to the left, you can open its charts this way. By tapping on the FX Glory icon, the chart and some other informations are shown, basically where you can place a trade. And here you can see the account number, the pair which you can tap, and you can also select other pairs here. To place a market order directly, set the stop loss and take profit, lot size, and hit the buy or sell button. To place a pending order, click on the gear icon, set the volume, order type, take profit and stop loss, then place and confirm the order. Trade section. Here, opened and pending trades and the history of the account can be seen. To close a trade, click on the close button or tap on the order and hit close. Here you can also modify the take profit and stop loss. Change them and hit the update position. Thanks for watching. Our support team is available 24/7. Don't hesitate to contact us. Goodbye.